Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Ginataang Laing or taro leaves. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have ginger, garlic, onions, shrimp paste, pork belly, hot red pepper, or we call it siling labuyo. We have lemon. Of course, we're gonna cook it with coconut milk, and we have also coconut cream. And of course, we have here our taro leaves. We dehydrated already the taro leaves here. Okay, let's hit the stove. Now, the pan is hot already. Let's put some olive oil. All right. Then we'll add our garlic. And we put our ginger. Smells good. You know, the combination of garlic and ginger, when you are sauteing it, smells real good. Now it's time to put our onions. Let's cook this for another minute. And now it's time to put our pork belly. Pork belly is already half cooked, so this won't take long to get tender. So we'll just saute it for, I should say, 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add our shrimp paste or bagoong. Then we'll mix it. This time, since we are using shrimp paste, this is salty already. We don't need to use fish sauce or salt anymore. But of course, we're gonna check this out in the final stage whether we need to use salt. After 1 minute, let's check this. All right. Now at this stage, we need to put the coconut milk. Put the coconut milk. All right. And we're gonna have this simmer for, I should say, 5 minutes. But for the meantime, we'll just cover it. Now after 5 to 7 minutes, let's check this. All right. Smells really good. Look at the coconut milk. It's releasing its oil already. So this time, we will add our dehydrated taro leaves, or we call it dahon ng Gabi. Okay. Just put everything And we're gonna let this simmer for another 5 minutes. All right, let's stir it a little bit so the taro leaves will absorb the coconut milk under low heat. Okay, and then this time we'll cover it and wait another 5 minutes. Let's check the laing after 5 minutes. Wow, I put the coconut cream already, so in between after 3 minutes I put the cream because it was getting dry. So let's give it a stir so the bottom won't burn. And the next the next 2 minutes this will be done. Let's cover it and wait another 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, let's check this out. Wow, this is done. The color has changed already to a little bit greenish. It's not real white anymore because of the coconut. Now it's greenish. So we'll do the final touch, which is we'll put the hot chili. Okay, and we can break this later on if you want to. And a squeeze of lemon. Just a little squeeze of lemon. All right, and a dust of pepper. There you go. So this done, this is ready to be served. Here's the finished product, Ginataang Laing or taro leaves.